So today I'm doing a home lab on how to fix a common WSL issue where my USB drive doesn't show up in Linux. This is a simple but powerful fix for anyone working in a mixed Windows and Linux workflow. It's also a great reminder that WSL needs proper configuration to access Windows storage devices. So as you can see, I'm in Linux shell right now and I'm in my root directory. So what I want to do is just run some basic common um, commands. So the first one would be pwd, which is print working directory, and this confirms that I am in my root directory. So another basic command is ls, which is list, and I want to do list all. So this pulls up all the files that are in my root directory, as you can see. So I want to take a look and see what's in my media file and see if I have anything stored in there. So what I want to do is hit cd, which is change directory, and I want to access my media file. So I'm currently in my media file, and to confirm that, I'll hit pwd, and that confirms it. And then I want to see what's in the file. List all, and as you can see, it's empty. There's really nothing in the file itself. So I want to change directory and go back to the root and pwd confirm. So let's go and see lists all. So let's try and see what's mount. Mnt is mount. So let's see what's in that file. So change directory, mnt. So I've changed, and then let's see what's in the file itself. ls and in my my mount file, and then for those that are not familiar with the mnt or mount file, it's a folder where Linux attaches outside storage devices so you can open them just like any normal directory. Think of it like a doorway that lets Linux access things that are not originally part of the Linux system. So here I have access to the C drive, and also my D drive. This would be, let's say if you have a USB drive that's stored, that's plugged into your laptop or your desktop, whichever one. And then the WSL, and then you have the WSLG. So if you're not familiar with WSL, it's pretty much Windows. It stands for Windows Subsystem for Linux. It lets you run a real Linux environment inside Windows without needing a virtual machine. And then you have WSLG, which stands for Windows Subsystem for Linux GUI. So this is kind of like the graphic. So what I want to do is run sudo make mkd dir, which is make directory, and then I'll hit mount USB. And I'm going to enter my password. Okay. So let's excuse me, mount USB. Oh, forgot one thing. Sudo mount T drive SD. There we go. So as you can see, in my USB drive, HP scan, ObaShield. So let's say I want to open my ObaShield file. I want to open the ObaShield file and see what's inside of it. So what I would do is change directory, ObaShield. Okay. So let's try this. Let's say change directory, cd, ObaShield. Oh, I guess what I'm doing incorrectly. So what I want to do, let me see, change directory slash mount USB and then let's, okay. So I'm going to change directory ObaShield. All right, boom. So now I'm inside my ObaShield. Let's confirm that pwd print working directory, and that confirms it. And let's see what's inside this file. This all. And in that file, I have Oba. So it says change directory. Let's see what's inside Oba. And it's pwd. So let's list all, and that's empty. So now let's say I want to create a file inside my ObaShield. So first thing I'll do is change directory mount USB and confirm this. Yep. So what I would like to do is change directory over capital SHIELD, enter, and then confirm that pwd. That confirms it. So now what I want to do is hit touch new file dot text, and followed by nano command notes dot txt text. And here we are. Let's see, create file with WSL. And then after that, I will hit Control O to save, and then enter. Control X to exit. Boom.